Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to use Face Detection Autofocus on Sony A6400. Let's begin. Using this face detection feature is really simple. All you want to do is go to the menu, and now we want to basically find a very specific setting, and it is on the 11th page. It is on the last page on the first section of the menu. It is in shooting assists, and we want to register a face first, so we can simply click that. We want to go with new registration, and now we want to take a photo of the face that we have. Now we don't really have a face, I do have a face, but I'm not going to take a selfie now, obviously. So let's say that you are doing a photo of a face, like this. Of course, this is not a face because it didn't really register it, but if we would create a nice face photo, we can now go back, and then we want to make sure that our registered face priority is turned to on. As you can see, this will basically automatically go and target this face for focusing. So if you have this function enabled, then everything should work fine. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.